For those about to dodge, I salute you. For those about to dodge, I salute you. I salute you. What's up, guys? I'm back here. Thought I should give you guys a quick update on the Dodge Durango SRT 2018 about the mid mufflers. This is something I definitely want to change. On my last videos, you guys saw that I advised you not to do the mid mufflers. I honestly didn't like it, but I did order the new mid mufflers, which is the magnet flows. I stopped by at the store today. The guy showed me the pieces, and on this coming Friday I'm gonna be there to do the installation. I'm gonna make a little video about it and I'm gonna show you, and I think it's gonna sound much better than what it already does. And I'm very anxious. In advance I can tell you guys that I'm extremely happy with this SUV. It's fantastic, lots of features, tons of power. It's a blast to drive it. It's just you feel that you are a driver when you're behind the wheel. Okay, so for those that are looking for an SUV, trust me, Durango SRT 392 is the way to go. Okay, so I'll keep you guys posted. I'll post a video on of the new mufflers this coming weekend. Okay, talk to you guys later. Thank you. If you like the videos, I'm starting this channel now, so if you guys like my videos, subscribe, like them, and let's go together on this one. All right, thank you. Bye bye.